A company is a group of people, and that really is all a company is. And so if you're going to have a group of people together, they must be happy people. And if they're going to be happy people, they've got to be led by somebody who is happy themselves, who loves people, who cares generally about people, and who looks for the best in people, who is somebody who doesn't criticize, but who praises and brings out the best in people.
Many people will tell you, why you're mistaken, why it'll never work. But if you really believe passionately in what you're doing, just keep going, keep pushing on, and until you either succeed or at least you realize that it's just not going to happen. And then if you don't succeed, pick yourself up and try again. And ultimately, if you're that determined, you will succeed in life. And if you don't, you'll have a hell of a lot of fun trying.
Life is short, life should be fun, and it should be fun, it should be, if the chairman of the company is having fun, if you go to a party and, if I let my hair down and I'm the first to be thrown in the swimming pool and I'm not just standing in the corner of the room sipping sherry or something, then everybody will have a laugh and everybody will have it fun. If you're chairman of the company, be the first to dance on the table, just get everybody else up dancing on the table and make sure the party's a laugh. So play hard and work hard, and follow certain principles in life. Love people. Make sure you make a positive difference in this world while you're on it. I think it's sort of foolish to spend your life not becoming expert at your passions. If you're passionate about something, you're going to give it. You're going to give it your all, and you're going to enjoy learning about it. Whereas if you have no interest in it, you're not going to lap it up.
A lot of people do not have the courage to try to start a business, and all I would say, I've written a book called "Screw It, Just Do It," and it basically is trying to say to people, just give it a try. Actually, sometimes a very, very small amount of money is all that's needed to start a company. My mother found a bracelet on the street and she handed it into the police station, and after 3 months the police let us sell it, and the couple of $100 was really critical at a critical time in the development of our business. So all I say, just give it a go, and good luck on that one.
There's a very thin dividing line between success and failure when you start a business from scratch. And if you don't have enough money to pay the bills, you go the wrong side of that dividing line. And if you can somehow get enough money to pay the bills, you stay the right side of that dividing line. I've always been running faster than perhaps I should, and I have great difficulty saying no to things, so keep on taking on new things. And we've just managed to stay the right side of the dividing line over the last 50 years in business. But equally, in those early days, when you're starting a business without any financial backing, it's easy to slip the wrong side. And in fact, most entrepreneurs do slip the wrong side. And the important thing is then just to pick yourself up and start again. And if it doesn't work at that time, keep going until you do succeed, and not to give up.
I don't actually think that the stereotype of a business person treading all over people to get to the top, generally speaking, works. I think if you treat people well, people will come back and come back for more. And it's a very small world. I actually think that the best way of becoming a successful business leader is dealing with people fairly and well, and like to think that's how we run Virgin.
Well, I think most people listening to this show know what their passion is, and it could be a hobby, it could be they could love reading, they could love playing tennis, they'll have passions, and if you have a passion, it makes sense to spend a lot of your life involved in that passion, and quite often you can turn your passion into a business. You can see that maybe there's some aspect of your passion